Living in lockdown as we are, we have to make the best of what we've got. We haven't got a massive garden, but Kira's found the best spot because she likes the sun. And Alfie, he's just wandering around looking for trouble. As you can see, we are camping in the garden. It's a fine day today. Everything is ready here. We're ready to do some cooking. We'll show you that later. Oh, we can go for a cycle ride around the little garden we have if we want. Obviously, with all the time now we've had a bit of extra spare time to actually oil the bike. Well, a WD-40 actually. Oh, and Madam's just observing the filming process to make sure I don't get anything wrong, aren't you, Kira? Oh, and here he is, lurking in the shadows, looking for more trouble. And as you can see, we have cleaned the camper. What we're going to do today, whilst we've got the time, is research some history on A-frame campers. And right up to the present date, the English Penliner has got to be one of the first home-built campers in England. And I know A-liner go back to early 70s. But let's see if we can find any examples of A-frame campers going back further than, say, 1970. Let's see what we can find.
And that, you simply have to lift it up and just open the edges. It does look like a house roof.
Brilliant!
Hello Kira. Yes, we're back in 2020. That was just a brief history of... Oh Kira, get blue, good girl. Whoop. That was just a brief history of A-frame campers. Obviously there's a lot more information if you search it out there. I mean, the examples that I showed you with the with that canvas A-frame, it did have solid wood sides, and you know, I mean, the idea had to come from somewhere. So you know, I personally, I'm gonna say that 1954. I've got it too at the moment. I mean, we could go on with this. We could, you know, we could obviously do more because we can't move at the moment. We're all stuck with this COVID-19, and we're all in lockdown. So stay home and stay safe, everybody, and enjoy your garden. I mean, we've only got a little garden, but we're enjoying it. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of that history. What I'm going to do now is have something to eat, because we can, and it's a beautiful day. Steak, anybody?